look at this. We have taken a trade based on this setup here, okay? And this is the trade right here. It is in the money right now. We just took the trade. One of my students is trading this account, and you can see she's in the money. Okay, it's going down a little bit, but I know eventually it's gonna go up based on this signal here. You can see based on the daily candle, it's the British pound against the US dollar Forex. And we have a buy signal here based on the UT bot alerts. This is an indicator you can find here. It's a free indicator on TradingView. So if you don't have a TradingView account, go ahead and get one. The link is in the description below here. Okay. This is a new year, guys, and I wish you guys all the best, but you have to take action. Okay. Don't just keep watching these trainings and then you flip over to another guru, watch another guru's training, then go to another guru, and at the end of the day, you're totally confused and you don't know. Just pick one and stick with it, okay? So if you're into Forex trading, by the way, the purpose of this video is to show you one very simple strategy that you can use to trade binary options, okay? And I'm training one of my students, Nancy, who's learning everything. She's learning how to trade crypto. She's learning how to trade Forex. She's learning how to trade stocks. And now she's learning how to trade binary options. She's got one of these, one of our trainings, okay, the masterclass. And she also got the one-on-one. So you can go through the masterclass. You're going to learn all this stuff, okay? Plus, this is one of the trainings that you're going to go through, okay? One of the trainings that you're going to go through is how to set, understanding all that stuff, basics from basics to now advanced, okay, so advanced trainings. For example, here, the power of compounding your profits, okay, so we go into details on how you can compound your profits, okay, and you guys, you can join the masterclass, the binary options master, because a lot of you guys ask if we have a training. Yes, there is a training. The link is in the description. Go ahead and join the training, the masterclass, and it's a set of videos that you're going to go through over the shoulder, showing you step by step, you know, from beginner friendly, from kindergarten to advanced level where you can start making profit, okay? Now, before I proceed, let me put a disclaimer here. Whatever I'm sharing with you guys is not financial advice or investment advice. And just remember that any trading online or offline is very risky. There's a potential, there's a risk of you losing your entire investment or part of your investment. So always, always trade with monies that you can afford to lose, okay? Don't trade money that you cannot afford to lose, okay? Because you could lose it, okay? And any of my coaches, none of us is professional. We've been doing this for many years. Many of us have been online for many, many years. Some of us have been online since 1998. We've been doing this. Anything online, we've been there, been done that. Masterminds, we've attended them. Courses, we have attended courses. We've bought courses. We still mastermind. And we have trained a lot of people through our Smart Wolf Club. So go ahead and join the Smart Wolf Club. Make sure you like this training, share, hit the bell notification, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. We want to grow this channel to at least 5,000 before the end of this year. Okay, I think there's 1,000 of you who have subscribed. Please, thank you for doing that and being loyal subscribers. And every day we have a new training. This year we're going to help at least 1,000 people to get the $1 million mark. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can get 1 million very, very easily. This is one of the lessons where we dive deep to show you how you can use the power of compounding to grow your profits from small accounts to big accounts where you're trading large accounts. You know, like you can see here, one of my students is actually trading, right now the account is 75,000. She started at 50,000 and she's now at 75,000. Okay, very, very easily, just following very simple strategies that we teach in the Smart Wolf Club. We have a Forex masterclass. We have a cryptocurrency trading masterclass. We have a binary options trading masterclass, we have a stocks trading masterclass, we have options trading masterclass, we have a digital marketing masterclass, which is the bread and butter of all our members. This is where you take a $10, put in $10 and make $100. You put $100, you make $1,000 using very simple strategies such as content, using content, advertising, social media, and we show you how you can use things like, let's say, Snapchat ads to send traffic eyeballs to your offers. And if you don't have any offers, you can use other people's offers to make massive, massive profit. Okay? And these are things that we do every day. Okay? Now, guys, we're just regular guys. You know, none of us is a guru here. We are not gurus. Even though I see some of the gurus that we have trained, who have gone through our training. And okay, so the best thing you have to do, guys, is pick one thing and stick with it. Okay, this year we want to make a difference. We want you to start achieving your dreams, living the life that you desire. Okay, I know a lot of you, when we interview a lot of you before you join our master classes or before you join our one-on-one, we ask you what are your dreams, and most of you tell me you want to travel, you want to make money, some of you want to quit your jobs, you don't like your jobs, you want to have the freedom to travel, you want to have enough money, you want to have that beautiful house, you want to be able to pay for all your schooling, expenses, a lot of things, normal things. Okay, and this is everywhere. We've been to so many countries of the world. We have students from all over the world. Where there is an internet connection, we have students. We have coaches from all over the world, like Tajimoto is on here from Tokyo, Japan. This is one of our coaches who's been with us for over 15 years. If you're from, let's say, the United States, if you go down to the Atlanta region, we have Mr. Baker, who's been with us for over 17 years. If, let's say, you're from Britain, the UK, London region, we have Mr. Scott, who's been with us for over 15 years. If you're from New York, Anne-Marie, she's been with us for over 12 years. If you're from Sydney, Australia, for example, area, we have Josephine, who's been with us for over 12 years. If you're from Toronto, Canada, we have Rosemary, who's been with us for over 15 years. If you're from South Africa, Cape Town region, we have Malemala, who's been with us for over 13 years. If you're from West Africa, for example, we have Moses from Nigeria, who's been with us for over 15 years. If you're from Germany, Berlin, Germany, we have Miss Carinces, who's been with us for over 13 years. If you're, let's say, from South America, we have Rodriguez in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Recently, we went to Brazil and we had over 200 people who are learning how to do digital marketing, stock trading, crypto trading, and we spent lots of time together teaching these folks. They were all very, very excited. And if you ask them, one major goal that everybody talked about was they wanted to travel. They want the freedom to be able to travel, location freedom, financial freedom, so they can travel. You know, most people have realized that the world is bigger than just your local village. Okay, so guys, let me just jump into the training. And this was just, by the way, showing you that you can actually make money this year and meet your goals by learning some of these strategies. Okay, just simple strategy that we have set up here. This one right here, using free indicators, free tools on TradingView, we're able to set up this trade, and you can see it is in the money. That's the trade right here. We've already set our take profits and stop losses. So if we can actually hit our take profit, guys, this trade alone could get to like $7,000. Okay, because the goal is to get this account to 100K in the shortest possible before the end of the month. Okay, in the next 3 weeks, this account should be at 100K. Okay, that's more than $25,000 generated in 3 weeks by somebody who is just recently started learning how to trade Forex. Okay, so not much experience, but just following the proper risk management that we teach. And some of the teachings, some of the trainings is like what you see here, what I'm showing you here, guys, the power of compounding. You learn the basics of the basics, and we show you what you need, simple resources, and you can just go in there and you can watch this video over and over and over and over, where I go over the training, showing you step by step how you can grow your account from like 50K, This account here is just from, she started from 50,000 and now it's at 75 in less than 1 week actually. Okay, so guys, let's go on to the training. And the training today is going to be based on binary options trading, because that's what most of you have been calling for. You want to get to learn some of the strategies that you can use to make money very, very fast using binary options. But before we proceed, let's say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power Almighty, I pray that whoever is going to apply this training, that they will be successful. I pray for those who are going to subscribe to the channel, the Smart Wolf Club channel, that you bless them and you become successful in their trading. I also pray for those who are going to share this training, that you bless their hearts, Father. I pray that in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen, guys. So now, guys, you can see I have decorated this chart with a few indicators. These are free indicators. So this platform that I'm using is PocketOptions, but it doesn't matter. Whatever platform you have, you can apply the same strategy. Okay, now if you don't have a PocketOption account, again, I have put a link in the description. Go ahead and get that demo account. It's free. And then once you start practicing on the demo, you can just toggle over to the live account. Okay, right here at the top here. Once you have your demo account open, you can just go to you can toggle to the real account right there. Okay, and start trading. So my student is learning. She's pretty new on this, so we are doing it on the demo at the moment and getting her psychology all in place before we go to the real account, because the psychology, the mindset is different when you're trading in a real account, and a demo account is a totally different ball game. In a demo account, you are only risking the broker's money. It's not your own money. But again, if you learn the discipline here, if you succeed in the demo account with the discipline, you preserve your capital. We show you how to preserve your capital, and we also teach you how to preserve your capital preservation. Okay, we have trainings that show you how to do that. Okay, so basically, once you subscribe to our channel, you can also watch some of these free trainings for free, courtesy to our private students who are allowing us, like now Nancy here, she's allowing us to record this and share this with the public. After the pandemic, during the pandemic, it really touched close to our heart. We've been doing this for many years underground, because some people ask me, like on the chat, why are you guys not known? We've been underground, okay? Why are you guys not gurus? Where are your Bentleys on Instagram? Where are your $1 million homes? Where are your exotic vacations on Instagram? We were not big on social media, okay? We were doing this underground, and we're still doing it. But during the pandemic, it really touched close to our hearts. So we decided, you know what, let's help our brothers and sisters to make money online. And we started sharing some of these with courtesy to our private students. Some of our students are giving back to the society, because the master teacher says, blessed are those who give back. If you help a brother, love yourself as you love your neighbors. Neighbors here are your brothers and sisters, anybody around you and anybody who you can reach using your skills. So the master teacher says, when you believe in something, learn, practice, and teach others. Okay, so that's what we are doing basically. We believe in this. We believe on working online, making money online, achieving our dreams online, and we are teaching others. We have practiced this. What we are teaching is what we do every day. We've been doing for many years. Some of us have been online since 1998, as old as the internet for some of us. Okay, so let's go on here and let us set up the charts. I'm gonna go over this really quickly. I don't want to keep this training long for you guys. It's gonna be a short training. So once you have your PocketOption account, you're in the demo, you are going to go to this doohickey here. You are going to look for the moving average. Okay, right here, you click it twice. Then you come here to the pencil icon. So the first moving average is period 15. The moving average is WMA. Our style is green, and we put 2 pixels so we can see it. You can put 3 pixels if you want it to be thicker, but 2 pixels is enough for us. My student likes 2 pixels. And then the second one is the period 40 WMA, and the style is red, 2 pixels. Okay. So when the short, this one here is the short one, is the short WMA, the 15, is going above, is above the red one, that is an upward trend. That means it is going up, and you'll be looking for call option. When the green is below the red, that means it's going down. So the green is the 15, the red is the 40. So the short one is the 15, the long one, the longer period moving average is the 40. So when the 40 is above, you know it's a downward trend. So you'll be looking for sell options. And then down here, we have another indicator. So you come right here and you click the Awesome Oscillator. Okay, this is an oscillator. Okay, they are momentum indicators. They can show you what is going on here. So you come and hit the pencil icon. The short period is 7, the long period is 25. And of course, I change the color to green. Okay, so the idea is when they are all going up, you know that's an upward trend. So when these lines cross right here, like you see where these have crossed right here, guys, you see where my mouse is, you come here and look at the oscillator. You can see also the oscillator has changed direction. This is just confirmation, okay, that you are in the right track. So you can take a call option for 1 minute and you'll be in the money, okay. Now the candles are 10-second candles, okay. So we are using 10-second candles, guys. The candles are 10 seconds, okay. So the idea is to wait until these lines cross and then you jump in. So like here, we can wait until the green crosses. Okay, if the green crosses and it starts going down, then you know you'll be looking for a sell option. So you have to be very patient and check different assets. So these, you can find them here. The assets are right here. Hit the star and you can favorite all these. I take the ones that are paying at least 92%, okay? So now, what is our goal here today? Okay, now, following the rule of 1, very important, guys. You cannot risk more than you can afford to lose. So look at this account. It's about $1,000, 100. So 1% of that is $11, okay? So we're going to be trading with $11 until we lose. When we lose, we just use what we call the martingale, okay? That's something we teach in our training. It's a capital preservation strategy that is very old and it has been used in casinos, but we're going to use it here with a twist, okay? So we're just going to multiply this 11 by 2.5, and then if we lose, we're going to multiply that by 2.5. So for example, let's bring up a calculator here. So anytime we lose, we're going to multiply that 11. Okay, let's see, it's not working. Okay, 11 times 2.5 instead of just multiplying it by 2. So it's 27.5. If we lose, we're going to do another 27.5. If we lose, we're going to do another 68.5. So this is the max. We go to 3 levels. Okay, I don't want to go further than that because then we're going to be blowing our account. So that's the maximum I can afford to lose. So you got to decide this before you start trading. So this we have already decided. So it will be 11 and then 27.5, then 68.75, then 171.875, and we stop. Because if you follow the rules, if you follow this strategy, there's no way you're going to lose these 3 consecutive trades. Okay, now if it happens, just get out of the market for the day, call it quits, and come back the next day, okay? Or come in the next session. Take a walk, go have fun, go have a cup of coffee, go talk to your friends, go volunteer somewhere, go pray, go to church, go wherever you have to go, and come back later when you're refreshed and the market is ready for you. This is OTCs, and you can trade these 24/7. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can get to the $1 million mark very, very easily before the end of this video. And I want you guys to stay up to the end of the video. Give it a like. Subscribe to the channel. If you've not, please go ahead and subscribe. We want to get this channel to 5,000. So 1,000 of you, share with 5 of your friends that you care about, because if somebody learns this strategy, they can make money at will. Freedom is what we are preaching. Financial freedom, location freedom, and money freedom. But you have to learn the skills, okay? This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. We are not promising you quick riches, and any results that we are sharing here is not a guarantee that you're going to achieve the same results. There are no guarantees. There's no guarantee in life. I cannot stand here and tell you that you're going to be successful, because I don't know how much effort you're going to put in this. A lot of students are lazy and they don't learn. We have a lot of students who come to our trainings and only a few of them succeed because most of them are lazy. Okay, you want to watch this and move on to the next guru, the next shiny object, without spending time to learn. It takes time. Rome was not built in one day. Just like you had to go to school when we were growing up. Remember what our parents saying? Go to school, get a good education. It took 18 years for some people just to go through the education system. So it doesn't, and then when they come to something like this, which can make you a lot of money, some people want us 9 seconds. If the video is more than 10 minutes, they cannot watch it. They say it's such a long video because the microwave mentality, guys. Okay, so listen, this is something that can change your life. So spend time. If you have to rewatch this 1,000,000 times, please do that. Okay, just think about the education system. Most of you have been to school, gone to colleges, degrees and degrees. You spend a lot of time. Okay, you have to be patient. Spend a lot of time and money. And there's no guarantee when you come out of that college that you're going to get a job that's going to make you all the money that you need and give you all the freedom that you need. That's why some of you are still looking for ways to make money. And the reason is because the jobs or the careers that you have, they are not fulfilling. They don't meet your needs. They don't allow you to achieve your dreams. You don't like your boss. You don't like your colleagues. You don't like the traffic. You don't like the commute. You don't like anything. So how are things going to change? You have to change by starting to learn things like this, what we teach you. And we're doing this for free. You can imagine. If you're watching this on YouTube, this is free. Okay, you're not paying for this. So all I urge you is to subscribe to the channel, like this video, bookmark it so you can come back and watch it many, many times. Okay, this year is your year, my brother or sister. This is a year for you to make a difference. This is a year to improve your life, guys. Okay, so again, very, very simple strategy, beginner friendly, 2 moving averages, and it's this type of moving average, WMA. Okay, WMA. There are many different types of moving averages. You can see here we have the SMA, the WMA, the EMA, and the SMMA. Okay, but we are using the WMA, guys. Okay, so we have the red one, that's the longer period, the 40, and then the shorter period is the 15. Okay, and it's the green one. Okay, so when it is above, you know it's going up. When it is below, you know it is going down. Okay, like here you can see the green is below. It was a downward trend. So you'll be taking this sell option. It's just pretty straightforward. But again, we have a confirmatory. We have an oscillator here that confirms our signal. Okay, without these in agreement, we are not going to take the trade. Okay, so now if you're just joining us here, we are talking about making money using these 2 moving averages and the Awesome Oscillator. And this strategy can help you get to that money making online. Okay, so you can start making money online from the comfort of your home, laptop or computer or cell phone, because you can trade. You can download the PocketOptions app and start trading on the app following similar strategy, guys. Okay, so right now here you can see I'm still analyzing the market. We are looking for a good setup. Once we get a good signal, then we're going to jump in. So sometimes you have to be patient, and then once you get that right signal, you are going to jump in. Because right now you can see I don't see a good setup yet. These lines have to be crossing, so sometimes it takes time. There are days you come in the market and you don't take any trade because you don't see a good setup. Okay, you're not under any pressure to take a trade, because if you do, when the signal is not there, you are likely to lose your money. Like right now, if I jump in here, I could easily lose the 1%, which I do not, and that's how most of you blow your accounts. But if I jumped in here, you see here where these were crossing, and you can see at this point this green is below. That's telling you it's going down. Okay, and then you come down here and check if there is a confirmation with the Awesome Oscillator. You can see the Awesome Oscillator had just changed direction, and these candles are increasing on the downward side. Therefore, if you took a sell option, your chances of making money here were high. Okay, you had a higher chance of making money here. So we have to wait until it crosses, like here it did. We just missed this. See here, we could have jumped in here and we would be in the money. You can see that this went down, 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 and these are growing. We could easily be in the money there. Okay, we could easily be in the money. Okay, so these are 10 seconds, 10-second candles. Each candle here represents 10 seconds, and the trade time is 1. And our goal is to grow this account by, we want to grow this account to 1 mil by the end of the year. Okay, 1 M by the end of the year. Okay, so 1 year has 365 days. Okay, so if you come to the calculator here, I'm showing you how you can get to a mil. If you come to the calculator, this is 1 mil divided by 365, 2,739 every day. This is all we have to make every day. Okay, so literally all we have to do is try to double this account here. If we try to double this account to 2,000 every day, okay, if we try to double this account, so day 1 is like 2,000, using the power of compounding. Okay, doubling your account, that means it's growing your account by 100%. That is a big and a very ambitious goal. Okay, so maybe we should just say, let's grow our account by, if we bring up the compound calculator, let's see, compound daily calculator, here it is, and we are going to use the compound interest calculator. This is the one here. So let's say we are starting with 1,000. Okay, compound frequency payments. Okay. Let's see if we can calculate this. Is there investment compounding? No, that's not the right one. I think I chose the wrong calculator. Let's see, it's the compound daily. Oh, sorry. Yeah, it's this one here. Yeah, so this one here, we start at 1,000, 1,100, and daily interest. Let's say we are growing this by just even 10%. Length of terms in days, let's say 365. We are investing 100%. We are not withdrawing anything. And we're starting on that day, and let's see what's gonna give us. Did it calculate? Let's see. All right, let's say it's 1,000. We're starting at 1,000. We are growing this by, let's say, 10%. Okay, let's even grow it by 1% every day. And then we are investing the whole thing. There you go, and let's calculate this. That's the start date. There you go. Okay. Why is it not calculating? It did. There you go. So let's see by the end of the year, where are we going to be? Day 365. Look at where we are by day 365. Look at where we are by day 365. 37,783. Unbelievable, man. Total principal. That's only by growing it by 1%. What if we do 10%? By doing it 10%, look at where we'll be. Actually, it's ridiculous. Let's not even do that. Let's not even go there. Let's do 3%. If you grow your account by 3% every day, look at where you are. In 1 year, you'll be a multi-millionaire. That's 48 million. Okay? So let's not even talk about that. Let's talk about 2%. Okay, there you go. 2%, just growing our account by 2% every day, you'll be at 1.3 million. This is the figure here, how to grow 1.3 million. 1.3 million, guys. From $1,000 to 1.3 million by compounding at a rate of 2% every day. You grow your account by 2% every day, trading for just maybe 1 hour max. So after work, after your 9 to 5, you come home or wherever you are, in the library or in a Starbucks, you log onto your computer or on your phone for 1 hour. You assess the market, follow this simple strategy, and you grow your account by 2%. Okay, let's say, what is 2%? If you look at the calculator here, it shows you day one, if you started at 1,000, 2% of 1,000 is $20. So your goal is just to make $20. So how can we make $20 if we are trading by 11? Okay, so you just need to take like 2 trades, guys. You don't even need to take a lot of trades. Just 2 trades alone can give you the $20. Let's see if we can do that. Let's prove this theory, guys. Let's prove it, because I like doing it is believing it. Okay, I like to do it practically. Okay, when I talk about something, if I'm learning a new strategy, if I'm creating a new strategy, because having been online for many years, we create our own strategies. Okay, you sit down, you play with these indicators, you play with all these tools that are available, and you figure out a strategy. Okay, here we go. You see that? It just turned. Okay, there we go. We wait for this to go up. Okay, now change directions. Let's see if okay, you can see that, but this is risky business here, because you can see the Awesome Oscillator is not in agreement with this, so I cannot take that trade, guys. I've already explained to you what you're looking for. You're looking for this, you see, like this crossover here. This is perfect, and you can see the Awesome Oscillator is also starting to go down, and it is growing downward. So if we had jumped here for 1 minute at this point here, we would be in the money. We would have made our first trade and our first profit, okay? Because we don't need to take a lot of trade. Okay, here we go. Again, here it's different. You can see the Awesome Oscillator is not in agreement at all. Okay, you can see this would not be a good one for me to take. You can see this has crossed, but you can see the Awesome Oscillator is not in agreement. It has to be growing up, going upwards. Okay, like now it is growing now, so I'm gonna wait and see. Okay, okay, that has really expanded. Okay, so we're gonna jump here and see what happens. Give it 1 minute. Let's see if it is gonna go up. Let's see. We're giving it 1 minute. No, it's not, because you can see it's flattening here. So this was not a very good setup here. So this is a trap for us. So it's not going to work here. But I told you what we're going to do. We are going to double this. So not really double. We're going to multiply this by 2.5. So our next trade is going to be 27.5. So that one we will recoup our loss, and also 27.5. That will be our next trade, which is this one right there. Okay, so we lose that, and then we're gonna look for another trade. Okay, this one went down, but again it is not. Okay, you can see the way it is. The pattern here is not conducive for our trade. So we have to look for perfect patterns. See, like what was happening here. You see that perfect patterns is what we are looking for. So you have to pay attention to the candle actions. Like the previous setups, you can see these were not that perfect. So let's see if we can find a pair, an asset that is behaving in the right pattern. Okay, so let's see this one. Okay, that's going up. Let's see that one. because we only need, guys, we said we only need to take 2 trades. Okay, we've taken one, we lost, so now we're going to multiply this by 2.5. Okay, this is a asset preservation technique. Some people call it the martingale, but martingale talks about doubling your previous. If you double here, you're not going to make any profit, because you can see the payout is 92%. It's not 100%. So the casinos were using the martingale, where you just double your stake and you win against the house. By doubling your stake, you increase your chances of recouping your loss. Okay. Again, you can see we are not getting a perfect entry, guys. So the market is not conducive for us. So that could be one of those days you come into the market and you do not take any trade because the market is behaving funny. So my student is learning that not all the time you'll be able to take a trade. Okay, newbies will force trades, revenge trading, and you will lose. Okay, if I take another trade here, we could lose this and we'll be losing more and more of our account, which we cannot. So I'm teaching my student the discipline to be a good trader. And you never panic if you follow the 1% rule, for example, because we just lost $11 out of 1,100 and some change. So that does not give me anxiety, because I know I'll still recoup this if I get a good setup, guys. So that's how you're supposed to take your trades, guys. Be confident, be focused, and be consistent, okay? And follow your own rules, okay? Set your own rules in the beginning of, before you start trading, and stick by the rules, okay? Stick by the rules, stick. We are not going to do this multiplication here by 2.5 for more than 3 levels. Once we get the 3rd level, we go back to 1% of the account, okay? So here, let's see what's going on here. If this crosses, we can take, okay, let's see if this crosses going up. But looking at what's happening here, we don't have a very good setup, okay? We do not have a very good setup. Yeah, you can see it's not following the rules. So that's not a good pair for us. We're looking for a good pair. Sometimes it takes time to find a good pair. That's why you need to give yourself at least 1 hour to take just a few trades that can give you that 2% every day, you know, so you can compound your trade, you can compound your account using the power of compound interest. And if you do that for a whole year, you see how you can easily get to that 1 mil per year, okay? That's what some of these gurus show you on Instagram, but they don't tell you what they have to go through to get there, okay? All right, so I jumped in here, even though the setup doesn't look so good, but let's take our chances here. Okay, we are taking our chances with this one, even though the setup doesn't look that great. It can easily turn against us, but we took that trade, we took that risk. Yeah, the thing was this crossover here, and then of course you can see these are going down, but we still have at least 12 seconds, and we can see, guys, we're going to recoup our loss plus our profit for the day. And then of course we're going to take another trade just to make sure we get ourselves to booyah, guys. You can see we're back to that. So now we're going to go back to the 1%, which was 11. We did the 27 because we were trying to recoup our loss, and then let's look for another setup. And once we win that, guys, we will have made our 20% for the day, and that we will call it quits, guys. And I will let you guys go ahead and practice this strategy, and I will have shown you guys how easy it is to make money online. And with the power of the Almighty, I will pray for you guys, okay? You become successful this year. Set the goal. Look at your dreams. Put a value to your dream. For example, if you want to take that vacation. Okay, well, how much is the vacation? Is it 40,000? Okay, how much time do you have before you take the vacation? You want to take the vacation in 1 year or 2 years? Okay, 2 years. Okay, then work out a plan. Okay, so if it's 40,000 and 2 years, you want to take it in 2 years. You want to make that trip to China to see the Great Wall of China. Okay, so if it is 40,000 to take you plus your loved ones, then you can work out the daily goal, your daily goal. So let's say you want to go to China, the Great Wall. Let's say it's 40,000 for your family, 40,000 US dollars divided by, you want to do that in 2 years. So that will be 365 for 1 year divided by 2. See, your goal is to make $54, let's say $55 every day, trading binary options. So if you can afford $1,000, okay, to start with $1,000, it doesn't matter. You can start with even a smaller account because look, $54, you can start with $50, okay? And then you just work out the percentages, how much you have to make every day, okay? You need to make $54, so just double your account every day. So how much time do you want to dedicate? Okay, so let's look at this. We missed this. We could have jumped in here and we would be in the money because I was talking, but let's see if we can find another setup. There are many setups. We just have to be patient. Okay, here you can see it is already coming. We are seeing a setup coming here, developing. You can see this is going up. You can see these have changed direction. Okay, so we wait until it actually crosses, because if you jump in right now here, this could easily change direction and continue the downward trend. So we have to get the confirmation. We wait for this to cross, and we wait for this to keep to go in that manner, showing that they are growing from one level. Okay, see, like now they're growing. Okay, I'm ready to jump in now. I think I'll jump in the next one if it grows. I'm watching these guys here. There we go. So I've jumped in there, and let's hopefully it doesn't change directions and start going down. Okay, yeah, it does seem like it's actually hit the limit. Okay, no, it is going up, guys, for a short time, but I'm just worried about this level here. So again, we might lose this, so we're gonna just double this to the 27.5, our next trade. Okay, then if this doesn't work, we're gonna go to the 68.75. Yeah, because you can see this went way down because this really jumped down. You can see these are not going up. They have to be growing up progressively. So the momentum here has decreased, and you can see here there's like a strong resistance line here. So we're gonna lose this. So we're gonna jump in with double and see if we can make that profit. Okay, so we lost that one. Nothing to worry about, guys. We are going to just look at this one here. Let's see if that crosses. Again, if I look at this is a really not very good pair. You can see the way it is behaving. They're not really growing up exponentially. You can see, okay, that went up and then it starts going down. Okay, we jumped in there. And the reason I jumped is because this crossed, but it's still going down. Oh, I think it's hit the ceiling and it is going down the opposite direction. So here there's a strong, again, support. That's what we talk about here, guys. You gotta watch out these. Okay, you gotta watch out for this. Okay. Now, losing is part of the game, guys. You're gonna lose, and I'm teaching you a simple strategy of preserving your capital. So here we go. We have this. You can see that strong resistance, So the next one is 68.5. Let's see if we can get the 68.5 here. That would be our next trade. That will allow us to recoup our loss plus some profit. Okay, and that that is our third level. Then no, that's our second level, and then there's a third level which was 170. Let's do it again. Let's go to calculator, clear this. So we did 11 times 2.5 gives you 27.5 times 2.5 gives you 68.75 times 2.5, 171.875, 171.868.75. Okay, so that's what we need to be trading. 68.75. So you can see this is more of a downward bias. You can see that because there's a strong ceiling here, and this is just going down. Okay, let's look for another setup where we can recoup our loss and make a profit. That's what we are looking for. Now let's favorite some of these pairs. Let's see if we can find more. Now let's favorite that. Let's look at that. Okay, that's going down. They're all more of a downward trend here. Okay, this went down. That is down. One, two, three, four, five. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so all right. So about 6 candles, and it changes direction. Again, here we are looking. We'll be waiting for this. Okay, here let's see. There's a strong support here. Let's see. So this is moved downward again. Okay, let's see. Let's remove this. We only want the ones that are paying at least 92%, because we need to make that profit. So we need to make that profit. So we need a higher payouts. The ones that are paying high. Okay, this looks really good here. The strong momentum. This momentum here. You can see the oscillator. You can see the bars are really strong here. So there was massive momentum here. Okay. All right, we are waiting for that one opportunity for us to jump in and make a profit. Because idea, we don't want to lose. We are only remaining with one more. Okay, here let's see. So here let's see what's going on here. They didn't cross. Okay, there you go. They're going down, going up. So these are not a good indicator here, because you can see the bars are about the same size. They have to show us this either increasing or reducing, not when they're the same size. When they're the same size, it becomes difficult to jump in the trade. Okay, again, this one here, so now it's going up and then it comes down because of this, and you can see they're about the same size. Now we need to see that momentum, massive momentum. Like here, this is good, you can see here. So we want to see if there's a massive momentum too going up. Not really. You can see this is not going up. Because if they go up, you want to see this nice, you want to see the moving averages spreading out very, very nicely. Then you know there's a strong momentum. Excuse me, let's try let's try the stocks. Let's remove these assets and let's try different assets. Let's try the stocks. That's why we are doing this on the demo. So my student is practicing. My student is taking the trades and practicing this strategy. While the stocks, They are not paying much. You can see we gotta remove some of these. The ones that are paying less, I want the ones that are paying percentage. Let's see, let's take the ones that are paying from 83 and above. Let's see, that one is 83. Let's see if we'll find one that has a good setup. Okay, that just crossed. Okay, no. Yeah, it crosses, goes up, but you see they are not spreading out nicely. They're supposed to spread out nicely like they did here. See? Like really nice spreads. We want a nice spread upwards. Okay, this one. Again, you can see that it's all going down, going down, going down. It's going down. It's also going down, going down. Okay, this one is going down too. Now it starts going up. So we wait until it changes direction on the upside. It changes direction to the upside. Okay, we wait if this is going to cross, and let's see if it's going to start going up. Okay, alright, so we can jump there, and let's see if that's going to send us to the moon, to the profits. All we want is our profit back. It doesn't look like. It just started coming down right away. As soon as we jumped in, it came down, guys. So the next one is this one here. So we're going to trade this one. 171.875. So that would be our next number here. Because this one has escaped from us. That one. That's our next one. Yeah, that went way, way, way opposite. So that went way, way opposite. So we decided to take this one in the opposite direction. You can see this has turned, it's going down. Oh, what happened? It closed the trade. The heck? Something happened, guys. I don't understand. We lost all these. I thought we took this trade, which was in the money, and it just escaped. Yeah, something happened, guys. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, something happened. Okay, this is going up. So we're gonna jump there. But does it have the momentum to stay up? Okay, because it crossed and it's going up. So, and these are growing. So that's why we thought of getting in there and jumping. Oh no, it's coming down. See, a big fat red candle is forming here. But I'm hoping there's enough momentum to push this up. Oh no. because if we lose this, we're gonna have to come back to the 11 because we put our rule as yes. It seems like we're gonna lose this. Oh man, it just went down. Yeah, it just went down, went the opposite direction. Okay, so we're gonna obey our rules and we start from there. Okay. Okay, this goes all the way up. Okay, that's all the way up there. But you can see it's pointing up, and these are going up. They crossed over here long before. So our next one will be 27.5, which is this one right here. We lose that. We're going to go to the 27.5. And it looks like that's what's happening here. We're going to lose that because they are going below, way below. Maybe not. Okay, so we won that. Okay, we're going to jump in right away with a double. Actually 2.5 times because we are trying to recoup the loss now. Okay, this is a pro strategy that we are trying to apply here. It did come down, bending down that way, so we are not okay. So we are trying to apply a pro strategy. The next one is 68.75. Okay. So we're jumping because it's still on the upper side, and you can see these are still growing up on the upper side. So there's momentum going up, and we are hoping that we're going to be winning these. And then we're going to jump in with the 68.75. And there we go. Booyah. Okay, so now we are going to jump in again with a bigger amount, even more. And then the next one is the 171.87. So we are going with that. Prepare those numbers so when you lose, you know you're ready to jump in, guys. Okay, this is now refusing to go up. Yeah, I think they have refused to go up with that one, so let's look for another pair. Okay, here's a pair that's going up. Here's a pair that's going up, so we're going to wait for this one to close and then we jump into this one. This pair is going, okay, it's in the money now. We came back. We did come back in the money, guys. You can see that it's in the money. So that's gonna push us. Booyah, booyah, booyah. There we go. So again, this we jumped with a bigger one, the 171. Okay, so once we finish the 171, we're gonna come back to 11 because we said only 3 levels, guys. Okay, so that's our goal. Only 3 levels. 2.5 up to 3 levels, huh? 11, 27.5, 68.75, and then 171.87. Okay, and you guys can see this is in the money. There's no faking these numbers, guys. You can see it's in the money. Okay, it is in the money, guys. It's not faking any numbers here. Okay, and it's in the money, guys. Okay, so now we are back to our 11, and we're gonna trade the 11, and then we're gonna do the 27.5, which is right here. Okay, so we are on the 11, and now we are doing the 27.5, and then we start all over again, and then our goal is, if we win a few of these, if we win this cycle now, we will be really profitable. Okay, we will have actually made more than that 2% that we are talking about. But our goal is to show you that, guys, you are going to lose. Okay, let me tell you, you will come in here, you will take trades, and you will lose. But if you follow proper risk management, if you follow a strategy that and your own rules, you are always gonna be profitable, guys. And that's the difference between traders who are making money and those who are failing. Those who are making money doesn't mean they don't lose. They do lose, but they take what we call calculated risks. Okay, so as you can see here, again, I've jumped in with a 27.5. Okay, and the next one is the 68.75, which is right there. And then once we finish that cycle, you can see how profitable, guys, we're gonna be. So we found an asset here that is behaving, it's in an upward direction, and we're gonna use it until the trend changes. If it starts going down and we start losing, then we're gonna change. Yeah, like now it looks like it has gone the opposite direction now. You can see these are becoming smaller, but there's a lot of pushing. So yeah, it seems like now it's changed direction. Okay, let's see if there's enough momentum to see us through. I don't know yet if there's enough momentum to see us through this one. Maybe not. Okay, so we lost that one. Okay, so this has probably changed momentum. You can see the oscillators are going down. So I don't want to jump with a 68 on this one yet, because it looks like it's gone down. Okay, so now this one, okay, we can jump in here. All right, let's see. There's a pullback, something they call a pullback. So the next one is this one here. Yeah, it seems it's pulling back now, backwards. Okay, it's going really, really low now. Yeah, it's changed. I think that is the end of the trend with that one. Let's see if we can find another one that we can take advantage of. Okay, this one, it has an upward trend. Okay, so I think we're gonna use that one for now. Okay, let's go with that one. So I couldn't wait. I decided to just jump in because this is definitely a loss. Okay. Excuse me, guys. I'm losing my voice. So we go back. Tell my student to go back, because this has actually run away from us, and we can just go down and we start from there. It's changed direction, so we're going to take advantage of that. And then the next one here is 27.5, so we already set up for the next one. Okay. Okay, that went into a loss. Let's see if that's gonna go up. Yes, it is. It is going up. This one has really okay, this has gone up so much. You can see it pointed upwards, and now it's coming down. It's like hit the max. So this is going downwards. All right, so let's go down. with that one. And the next one is 68.75. Okay. Okay, this decided to go up now. You can see it's going up and they're growing taller and taller. Okay. They're growing taller and taller. Okay. Ooh, something happened there. See how it jumped to start going down? Just jumped from there to this point here. Not following any order. It's OTCs, so these are usually crazy. Let's bring up some big ones here and see how much we can trade these. Okay, so these are traded here. Okay, this is going up, guys. This is going up. We're gonna trade it upwards because I can see this guy is going up, even though it's not following any rules. Looks like the feeling is going up. All right, so the next one is the 171. Okay, that went down, way down, way down, way down. It's not following any rules at all. No rules. Okay, it's not following any rules, guys, at the moment. So we are just, I'm having my student take the trades and practice, just see what's going on in the market, just get the feel of the market. This strategy works when the market is behaving, but you can see right now it's not following any rules. Okay, so this is OTCs. The brokers can really manipulate this, so it cannot follow any rules. So this is a time to actually call it quits. After taking 3 trades and you lose all the 3, you're gonna call it quits. But my student says she just wanna continue practicing. We could have called it quits once we get to this level here, 171, and you lose that, then you just call it quits. But we're gonna win it, so then we can just start. We are winning that one, so that helps us recoup a few losses here and there. Okay, and then now we go back to the 11. And then if we win, we're gonna double that and continue. So here you can see it is misbehaving, because ideally this should be going down. You can see that, but there's no telling what this broker is doing at the moment. Okay, so here you can see again, this is the same. It doesn't show any momentum on the part of the, okay, this one, the oil, all above. Okay, this is coming down, coming down. Okay, let's see. Okay, there it's going up. Okay, it's coming down. Okay, coming down, guys, very strongly. But we have this here. Okay, so I guess once it touches there, it's gonna go up. Okay, there you go. The next one is this one. Okay, it's gonna break that. Oh, okay. It decides to go past. I think it's gonna decide to break this support. Okay, so now it's just arranging market here. You can see the candles are just rotating in the same spot. Okay, guys, so very close. So it's probably going to give us an L here, because you can see it's actually testing this. Yeah, it's probably going to give us an L here. No, it actually went into the money, guys. So let's see. Okay, this is gone up. Well, this has gone up too high. So right now it's risky. If you jump in here, you might actually come down losing. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, this one is coming down. Yeah, it's coming down. So we go down here. Yeah, you can see that was coming down. And these are on the lower side. So hopefully the momentum is to push it down. But that doesn't seem like the case, man. It's actually changed directions. Alright, so we go to the next one, is this one here. And we step from there. There's a line here. We can put a line here. So we just have a visual line. I think when it gets there, it will have to change direction or break that. Yeah, it did. So by breaking that, it's telling us it's a strong upward trend. So we can go up. Okay, it's showing us that it's a strong upward trend, and hopefully it is strong enough to keep going, but it doesn't seem like. Okay, let's see. Yeah, because it broke this resistance here and it went up. So that shows like a strong resistance was broken. So it becomes support. This is just going up. So let's see if that will help us recoup our loss. The next one is this one, just in case we don't recoup our loss. Okay. So that's why I was saying you have to dedicate at least 1 hour with this, especially when you're trading OTCs. When you're trading the regular market, it's different ball game. The pairs are less volatile, okay, because they pull the data from like TradingView, and so they move at more predictable pattern. So it's much easier when you're trading just regular pairs. OTC is very risky, and that's why I'm using just like 1% rule, because you don't want to blow this account. Okay, capital preservation is our goal. Okay, so guys, we won that, I think. So if we go ahead and win this, we should be profitable now. So I'm just looking at what's going on here. Let's see if we can find a pair that we can trade for the win. Alright, let's go down that way, because they're pointing down and these guys are going smaller and smaller. So I am thinking they're going to be trying to come down here. I could be wrong, but that's what my student is thinking. They're going to be coming down here to come and, oh, maybe not. Maybe we spoke too soon. Yeah, we might be have spoken too soon, guys, because you can see there's a lot of push up, like this strong, big ass green candle. Oh, another green. Oh, yeah, so this is terrible. Yeah, look, there's a push to go up. So here we have to come back to the 11, which is this one here. Yeah, we just have to come back to the 11. All right, let's see. We still have like a few seconds left. No, it's not going to be strong enough to push us. Yep. So that's what it is here, man. That the market is so unpredictable. All right, let's go down with this one and see. Yeah. As soon as you jump in, it changes direction. And it's because of this. Look at this. They are so undecided. You can see very weak. So just by us taking a trade, it pushes the market up. Okay, so not many people are trading at the moment. Okay, so if we drew a line here, that could tell us what is going on here. Just combining these strategies here of support and resistance. Always you have to study the market. You cannot just take the indicators and trade them in isolation. Okay, so we're gonna jump in here with the 11. We just Oh no, we should have done the 27.5, but that's okay. All right. So the next one is it. So here we're just minimizing our loss. Something called hedging. We're gonna just minimize our loss here if we win that. Ideally, we should have. Oh no. Yes, momentum to go up and take us out. Okay, so this one again, this is really undecided here. All this area here, there's so much energy here. Okay, that's going down, so we're gonna take a bigger one going that way. And now we're gonna go to the next one, is this one. So my student is now jumping into these trades in a hurry to try and finish up the training. We've been here for almost 1 hour, so the idea is to just finish up and then come back in another session and try to recoup whatever loss we made today. So some days you'll come in and lose, and it's good that we are doing it on the demo. So my student is learning. You cannot do this in your real account because you'll be starting on a hole. So once we took the 3 levels and lost, we should take a break. Okay, you never want to continue trading because you're just going to lose your account. Okay, and that's how most students blow their account, because you continue revenge trading and you're going to lose your account. Like you can see now here, this is just okay. We are now at the 68, so let's see what we can do with the 68. Okay, this is just going up, so we're going to go up too. It's going up and down, like it retraces a little bit, goes up, comes down, goes up. So this is in the face of going down, and I'm hoping it will turn upwards soon. Okay, maybe we jumped in too soon, but let's see. Yeah, so again, let's go to the bigger one, which is this one. And let's go in here while it is still going up. Okay, because this seems like this is acting like the support here. The long WMA moving average is acting like a support. Okay, oh, that's dangerous. That is very dangerous. Because it's momentum wise, it's dangerous. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to accumulate energy to go down. You can see it's now low, it's forming higher lows, which is not good. Here it was making high and started forming higher lows. Okay, so there we go. I think we did come back a little bit, so let's go to the 11. If my student says they are tired, we will stop, but if she's not tired, she's still practicing. So you guys can also join us, but if you want to leave now, you can leave. Go practice this strategy on the demo, and this is a very good strategy for even beginners. You can easily compound, but if you trade during the regular market, this is almost 99% accurate. Right now, OTCs and the timing also is very important. You can see right now not many people are trading. Where my student is, it's late night, and therefore just by jumping into a trade, it causes the market to shift, and she is losing a lot because of that. So the idea is to trade when the market is very active and there are many people trading at the same time, so that way your trade doesn't cause the market to shift. Okay, so it doesn't affect the market dynamics. So in this case here, you can see here we go, this guy is going up, so we can go up with him. And let's see, yeah, going up, shot up, but with that same momentum, it might shoot down. So hopefully it will have enough to keep going. As you can see, it shot down with the same momentum. The next one would be the 27.5, and with this one we're going to look for something else. Here the market is just misbehaving. Okay, it's decided to go down, all the way down, all the way down. Market has decided to come down. Okay, to this zone here is like a support zone. Yeah, see the support zone I'm talking about is this one here. You see that zone right there? That's a strong support zone right there, that one right there. You can see that. So it comes down there and it pushes it up. So now it's gonna go up until probably right there. It's probably gonna go up to there, and then it will start coming down. Okay. Yeah, you can see it's probably gonna go up to there, and then it will start coming down. You can jump on this one. The next one is the 68.75, guys. 68.75. Wow, this one looks weird, and this pair here is even worse. It's not obeying any rules. You can see that. So you don't want to trade anything like that. If we do, you can see we just be risking our money. This one again is just going down. We don't know if it's really gonna stay down. It's forming these high lows here, lower lows, I guess. From here you can see it's a downward trend. Alright, so this one, the next one is this one. Next one is that one. Okay, it broke this, it's broken this line here, so I think it's just a strong downward until this level here. Alright, let's see how strong that's gonna be. Is it gonna go up and wipe our profits? Because it's forming this strong line there. Strong, strong. Okay, let's go with that one. Okay. Okay. We're thinking this is a strong support, but we could be wrong. It just looks like it's continuing down. But I thought this would be a strong support for us. Okay. We might be in for a good shock. Not a rude shock, but a good shock. Like, it's probably a change of trend here, hopefully. It's something like a retracement, and then it comes crashing down and wiping our profits. Let's see what happens here. Okay, again, it's forming. Oh, it's hitting like a. Okay. Oh, there's still momentum to go up. Alright, guys, we are going to make that to Booyah. Okay, so we need one big one. But we are not going to take the big one. We're going to take just a $11 one. Okay, this is going up, but there's so much pushing, so I'm not going to take that trade again. Okay, I'm going to take this one. Okay, my student is taking these trades, and that's why I'm saying I'm going to take that one. I'm recording that. Okay, that went far away, but we might get a similar in the movement in the opposite direction, but let's see. Because again, here there's some zone of interest here. Yeah, Okay, I guess it got to that resistance. Okay, let's see. Our goal is to make our 2%, and we call it quits. So it might take you 2 minutes, 2 hours, 3 hours. You gotta be patient, okay? Our goal per day is to make that 2%, okay? We wanna get to our goal of 2%. 2%. We saw 2% is gonna get you to 40K. It's gonna get you to a mil in 1 year, my friend. Just 2%. 2%, you'll be at 1.376 by the end of the year. This one right here. And that's what we are looking for. And there we go, guys. We won that. So we're gonna go to the next one, which is this one. And right now we are looking at coming down. This is coming down really strong, so we're gonna jump in here. We are coming down strong. You can see these are coming down. Not necessarily. There is still an upward push. Yes, there is an upward push, so we're gonna lose that one. And we will go that opposite direction. Okay. Yeah, that's an upward push. Okay, here again, it's a downward push. Downward, upward, downward, upward. This is like a retracement. Yeah. Okay, upward movement, upward. Okay, so we are almost getting there. We are almost getting to our 2%, guys. Okay, this one is upward, downward, upward. Doesn't know what it's doing. Okay, there we go. No, there's still a lot of pushing. So this is risky business. Let's look for another pair. Let's clear. Okay, let's look for another pair that might be clear, well defined. Okay, yeah, like this one is well defined. So we're gonna jump into this one. Okay, that's well defined. Well defined. Well defined. Here we go. This is the numbers we are looking for. You can see that's well defined. Okay. The next one is the 171. Okay. Oh man, momentum has changed. Okay, let's push, guys, push. I like the sellers to come in and push this so that way we can win. There's only 9 seconds left. 9 seconds left, guys. 9 seconds, and booyah, booyah, booyah. There we go. So now for the profits, let's find a good trade. My student is analyzing these markets. Let's find a good trade for the profits. Okay, this one here is, if it breaks above this, we're gonna go with it. It doesn't look like it's gonna break that. No, it's coming down, guys. It tried to go up, but no. This retracement. Okay, so for the profits, let's see if this is gonna behave the way it is behaving. Oh, it's gonna go up and take all the money. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's acting weird a little bit. We are hoping that it's a downward trend, so it's gonna push down further. further away from this line here. Yeah, it looks like there is some momentum, but guys, it looks like the buyers are trying to get up. There is this line here. See this line right here? Oh no, yeah, that's gonna take our profits. Yeah, that's gonna take it. That's gonna take the profit right there. Oh man, that came in and that's it. Yeah, that's gonna clean it up. Yeah, that's gonna take the profit. That's gonna take the profit. That is gonna take the profit. Oh no, that's gonna take the profit. Let's see if that will. Yeah, that's gonna take the profit. Yeah, that acted crazy, but that's why I say when you're trading these OTCs, you have to be extremely cautious, because you can see what happens with just a slight change in the movement. They wipe out all your profit. So now we are back to the square zero here, and as you can see, we took an upward trend, but we are way down. So let's just go down here and take two of these and see if we are going to. Oh, it broke that support, so now we are even much further down in the profit game. Yeah, so now this is how you wipe your account. Okay, my student just took two big trades without changing this. Those are rookie mistakes, but we are learning, and she is learning in the demo. That's rookie mistake number one. We had to lower this to 11 if we want to preserve this account. Okay, because now you see what it's gonna do. Okay, my student is still taking too many trades, and that's gonna blow this account now. Okay, because now you're gonna lose this. That's not easy to recover. Okay, she took a double trade here. I don't know what happened, but she did take a double trade on the OTCs on the 11. She took a double trade on the 11 and a double trade on the 171. I think it was a glitch in the system. So those are some of the things you have to put up with. Yeah, because now she lost two big ones and wiped out her profit, or even possibility of making a profit now. So this training might end up being another 2 hours, because she has to be here to try and recoup her profits. So guys, just watch until the end. Subscribe to the channel if you're liking this. Okay, the next one is that one. So just take one. Nancy is my student. Please just take one, okay? Don't take two trades. Just take one. There we go. Just take one, okay? Yeah, I think it just allowed one now. There was a glitch when it clicked once. It took two trades of the 11, two trades of the 170 something, and that wiped her account really bad. So you can see this is going up, so that's going up. Okay. Alright, let's see this one. Okay, this is bad because the Awesome Oscillator is not oscillating. Okay, this one does look like it's going down now. Up and down, up and down. Okay, so she did get that back. So the next one is this one, 68 points. Alright, let's see that one. See what's gonna happen here the next. Okay, that's going down. So she jumped in so quickly, but this can change direction anytime. Yeah, because I think it's more of an upward trend than a downward trend here, so it's changing direction really rapidly, this one. Yeah, It's just a fake out here. Yes, move. Excuse me. Upward trend. This is more an upward trend. They're going up. Excuse me, guys. I'm getting hoarse. I guess we've been. Should we continue this later, the video, for those you guys who are on the webinar? My student can continue the background, and then maybe we continue the training tomorrow because she has to trade to recoup her accounts and then make profit. Yeah. She's going to try to recoup this account. Okay, she's taking... Oh, what's going on? I think the system is messed up. It's taking trades. She's taking 2 trades. She clicked once. Let's see what's going on with this. Yeah, because now it's taking 2 trades. Yeah, and they're all going in the opposite direction. Okay, go back to the 11 because you can't take 2 trades of the 171. That's going to blow your account. Yeah, that's exactly what's going to happen. Did you take the trades that way? Yeah, it's taking 2 trades. Well, what's the next one? Okay, that one. Okay, that's going down, but not necessarily going down. As you can see, this Alright, so we have learned something here. We can easily grow this 1000 to 1.3 mil in 365 days by just doing a 2% growth every single day without failure. 24/7 you were gonna trade binary options every day for at least 1 hour, aiming for 2%, and your starting investment is $100. Okay, if you're starting with less than $100, you can work out your how long it's gonna take you. If you start with 500, maybe you need longer, length of more than a year. If you're starting with $100, maybe you need to trade for many more hours a day just to get to the 2%. You know what we are talking about? So you have to work out your numbers with your goals, okay? Or you may have to reduce your goal. Your goal doesn't have to be $1 million. This is somebody who is willing to start with $1,000 of trade. Okay, so she did win some trades here. So are you taking any more trades, Nancy? Let's see. Okay, you want to go what, up? No, it's still going down. No, it says it's going up. Up, down, up, down. Okay, so the next one is this one here. Okay, so this is all going down. Yeah, looks like they're all going down. Okay, and then the next one is the 171. All going down. This one, you can't play that one. Oh, this one is hit that support, and now it's going up. This one is in the money. The one she just played, you can see it's strongly facing down. You can see this is spreading so nicely. So it shows you a very strong downward force. and it's in the money. Also, unless this one shoots up all the way, I think this is in the money for her. So maybe she wants to take another one. Oh no, I think that was a mistake for her, because you can see this has actually hit like a support zone here, and it is going up. Doesn't seem like it has the momentum to go down. You see this is going up. Alright, so you have to start at 11 again, and it is going up now. Yeah, it's going up. It's going up. Oh, what happened? Oh man, it took so many trades. Yeah, this might end up being... Oh, did it? No. Look at this. Yeah, I don't think there's enough momentum to push this up. No, they're all going down because of this. Why is it taking 2 trades? Can you look at it, Nancy? I think it's taking 2 trades. Okay, those ended up being in the money. But why is it taking 2 trades at the same time? Sometimes it's good to take a break, because you can see now it's taking 2 trades. You click once and it duplicates the same, and that's how you're losing now. You take 171 twice, you know, it's gonna blow your account. It's a very small account. Like this one now, you can see yeah, like it's going in the opposite direction, so it's not following proper risk management. See, it clearly ran away from you. Look at that. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, that's terrible. Okay, go back to the 11. Start from there. If you win, just play the 11, okay? So you can preserve your capital at the 11, 11, 11. Okay, guys, I think she'll continue trading, and we will report these trades in our next training, guys. Okay, so watch out for the next video, which is coming out tomorrow. But go ahead and practice this strategy, guys, and comment below. Let's see what you think about it, what you think about the training today, and we'll see you in the next training. May the Almighty help you guys in the markets. May you succeed in this year. May this be the year that you make that $1 million mark. Guys, if you have not joined the Smart Wolf Club, go ahead and click the link in the description and join. If you want to learn how to trade binary options, Forex. Join one of our master classes. For each one of them, we have a master class for binary options trading, a master class for Forex trading, a master class for crypto trading, where we take you from kindergarten to being a pro in trading online and making money online, guys. Have a good night, good morning, and goodbye.
I don't really know what comes